how to make a graph on Google Slides. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a graph on Google Slides. This is really useful for school projects, work reports, or any time you want to present data in a clear and visual way. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive and log into your account. From there, either open an existing Google Slides presentation or create a new one. Once your slides are ready, go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Chart. Here you'll see options like column, line, pie, and bar. For this tutorial, let's choose column. Google Slides will automatically insert a default chart into your slide. To edit the data, click on the small drop-down arrow at the top right of the chart and select Open Source. This will open a Google Sheets file where you can replace the sample numbers with your own data. As soon as you update the data in Sheets, the graph in your slide will automatically refresh. You can also adjust colors, fonts, and styles by using the chart editor to make it look exactly how you want. And that's it. You now know how to create and customize a graph in Google Slides. This simple trick can make your presentations much more engaging and professional. That's all for the video.